In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Dripify. If you've finished a session or you're switching devices, logging out keeps your account secure and makes sure no one else can access your data. Start by opening your Dripify dashboard in your web browser. Once you're on the main screen, shift your eyes to the top right corner of the page. That's where Dripify places your account controls. You'll typically see your profile picture, your initials in a small circle, or your account name. Even if the workspace view looks busy, that top right area is the right place to look. Click the profile icon or your name to open the account drop-down menu. This small menu is designed for quick access to core account actions, so it's the fastest route to get signed out. Give it a second to appear after you click. On slower connections, menus can take a moment to load. If you're on a smaller screen, you may need to zoom out or scroll slightly so the menu isn't cut off by the edge of your window. In that drop-down, choose Log Out. Depending on your interface language, the option might read Sign Out, but it works the same way. Once you select it, Dripify will end your session and take you back to the login screen. That's your confirmation that you're fully signed out. If you're using a shared computer, this is a good moment to close the tab or browser window for extra peace of mind. If you don't immediately see the Log Out or Sign Out option in the drop-down, there are a couple of quick fixes. First, clear your browser cache. Old cached files can occasionally keep an outdated interface in place and hide updated menu items. After clearing the cache, open Dripify again and check the profile menu one more time. If that still doesn't do it, try a different browser. Switching from one browser to another can bypass extension conflicts or rendering quirks that prevent the drop-down from displaying correctly. And that's it. You now know exactly where to find the sign-out control in Dripify and what to do if it doesn't show up right away. Keeping the habit of logging out when you're done is a simple way to protect your account across workspaces and devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.